Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of the Airbnb app. So just simple go ahead and click the three lines on the upper right hand side, and at the bottom you will have the option that says log out. So you can easily log out of the app, and that's all that you have to do. Keep in mind that you can also use the app while it is logged out. However, if you want to work with, for example, your wish list, or you want to save some apartment to your wish list, or you want to check your messages, you will need to sign back in. So if you want to interact with your account and do personal stuff within the Airbnb app, you want to sign in. And to sign in again is super easy. Click the three lines on the upper right, and here at the bottom you have login or sign up. Choose your email address that you have associated with that, and simply choose to sign in, and that's going to take you right back into your Airbnb account. And now you can just work with it as normal, knowing that whatever saves you make or whatever you want to do will be saved under your account. And that's it, guys.